This is going to be a brief video demonstration of my Pfaff 545H4. This is an industrial walking foot sewing machine. It is triple feed. You've got the walking foot, the feed dogs, and the needle move back with the material to pull it back. And the badge is right here. I've got the flashlight on it. The 545H4 Pfaff, made in Germany. Okay, and it's on a slightly oversized table. Industrial clutch motor. The base of the table's been power washed and repainted. Just came out in the garage this morning to make some final adjustments on the knee lift. Didn't quite like where it was positioned for myself. Whoever buys this machine might want to change it to their own preference a little bit, but I'll just get on the tripod and do a little sewing with it. What I've got here is a real heavy canvas material for like military bags, and then just some leather. This will easily do a couple layers of thick leather. Alright, everything's been cleaned up on the machine. Your bobbin sits down here, your hook goes around in a circle. It's a horizontal rotating hook machine. And your upper tension. And the foot lift on this, I've got adjusted. It is like ridiculously high. The machine isn't turned on, so no worries about impaling my finger here. And let's start it up. Okay, this is like 3 layers of that heavy bag material. It's actually kind of stiff material. I like to bring the material in at an angle and position it like this so that I actually have this walking foot is going to sit on this upper thread, so that when I take off, I will still hold this, but the odds are that it's going to pull it out on me are a lot lower because the foot's sitting on the thread. Kind of getting used to the foot pedal here. I've got it adjusted so there's a lot of free play before the machine engages, and I'm not quite used to that yet. That was a little better there. And this machine does have reverse, but it easily goes through this material. I've got gold thread on the top here and green on the bottom, and getting a nice stitch. It's not pulling any green up throughout to the top. Here I've got 2 about 1/8 inch thick pieces of leather that I've sewed through repeatedly. So let's see if I can do it again without catching any of these stray threads and making a mess. Squeaky leather, squeaky clean. Must be a little dry. But as you can see, that's about 1/4 inch thick of 2 layers of leather, and the machine didn't have any trouble going right through that. And I'm using about a size 21 needle and Tech 70 thread. So that's my demonstration. Thanks for watching.